everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we're going to learn how to send follow-up WhatsApp message to Facebook leads. So I'm an owner of a business and I promote my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. I want that as soon as many of my potential customers, whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically to that customer who have generated the lead, a WhatsApp message should be forwarded. And if I'm going to do this manually, it is going to take me a lot of time. So what I did was I simply created an automation using Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So here in this automation, what is going to happen? That whenever a new lead is going to be generated by any of my potential customers using Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the lead, a WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded. And we are going to send the WhatsApp message with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. As with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, I have created a message template. If you want, you can use Vati or Interact to create your own message template, okay? And we are going to be creating an automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you want to learn about this amazing automation, then let me take you all to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to send follow-up WhatsApp message to Facebook leads. So I'm an owner of a business and I promote my business with the help of Facebook lead ads to gather potential customers' details. So I want that whenever any of my potential customers fills out the Facebook lead ads form, automatically to that customer a WhatsApp message should be forwarded. And I'm going to create this amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. Our dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the workflow name over here, I'm going to give it as Send Follow-Up WhatsApp Message to Facebook Lead. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow, okay? Next, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. Further, click right over here. So these are the folders from which I'm going to select Facebook lead ads automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving a name to a workflow and selecting the folder, let's click on Create in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Send Follow-Up WhatsApp Message to Facebook Leads, and there are 2 windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. Trigger and Action are the 2 most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these 2 concepts. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. Firstly, we're going to set up our trigger step. For that, click right over here. And for the trigger application, we are going to select it as Facebook Lead Ads. As with the help of Facebook lead ads, I'm promoting my business and I want that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated by any of my potential customers using Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response. So that is why for the trigger event, I'm going to select it as new lead instant, so that whenever a new lead is going to be generated, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, okay? After selecting the trigger application and the event, I'm going to click on this connect button. A new window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection, or you can select the existing connection. After that, it says connect with Facebook lead ads. So remember, before connecting Facebook lead ads in Pabbly Connect, to log in to your Facebook account on a new tab, so that connecting Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect can be much easier. So I'm going to now click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. As you can see that Facebook lead ads is now successfully authorized with Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, firstly it is asking us to select the page and the lead gen form. So my business name is Easy Trade, and with the help of this Facebook page, I will be promoting my Facebook lead ads. So for the page over here, I'm going to select it as Easy Trade. After that, it is asking for us to select a lead gen form. So I've created a lead ads form in the name of Easy Trade Lead Form. So what I'm going to do is, for the lead gen form, I'm going to select over here the Easy Trade Lead Form. After selecting the page and the lead gen form, we are going to click on the Save and Send Test Request button. As we're going to do that, over here it says waiting for webhook response. So now what we're going to do is we are going to generate a test lead with the help of Facebook lead ads, and we're going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the test lead being generated or not. We're going to check whether the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successful or not. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to generate the test lead, we're going to open the lead ad system tool. With the help of this tool, we are going to generate the test lead. Okay, it is asking for us to select the page and the form to generate the test lead. For the page over here, I'm going to select as easy trade, and for the form as easy trade lead form. After selecting the page and the form, I'm going to click on this preview form button. So this is the form that I've created using Facebook lead ads, and with the help of this form, the leads are going to be generated. It is asking for the full name, email and the phone number of our lead, so we're going to fill in the details. For the email of my lead, I'm going to write it as testsmart45@pabblytunes.com. For the name over here, I'm going to write it as testsmart45, and for the phone number, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on continue and on submit to do the test submission. As you can see that over here it says your lead has been sent. So now the test lead is generated. Okay, so as the lead is generated, I'm going to open my workflow and I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to wait over here for a few seconds. As you can see that right over here, we have received a response after a few seconds. Okay, we're going to tally the response for the full name of our customer being testsmart45, for the email as testsmart45@pabblytunes.com, and for the phone number, dummy mobile number with all the other details. So this means that Facebook lead ads is now successfully connected to Pabbly Connect and a trigger setup is done. So now whenever by any of my potential customers, a new lead is going to be generated using Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. And as our objective is that whenever a new lead is going to be generated, I want to send that lead a WhatsApp message on their number. So now we're going to set up our action step according to that. And for the action application, we are going to select it as WhatsApp Cloud API. As with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, I will be sending the messages as I've created a template message using that. As you can see that this is a template message that I've created, and with the help of this template, I will be sending WhatsApp messages to all the leads that are generated using Facebook lead ads. Okay, so for the action application, I'm going to select it as WhatsApp Cloud API, and for the action event as send template message, as now we're going to send the template message to our leads that are being generated. Okay, after selecting the action application and the event, I'm going to click on this connect button to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. A new window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection. After click on add new connection, it is asking for the token phone number ID to WhatsApp business account ID in order to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. From where are we going to have all these details from? For that, you have to click on this hyperlink learn more right over here. As we're going to do that, you will be landed towards this page, and in this page, if you're going to scroll down, it says how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. If you're going to watch this tutorial, you're going to learn how to step-by-step complete WhatsApp Cloud API setup inside Pabbly Connect. And as you're going to create the setup, you're going to have all the details that Pabbly Connect is asking for. Okay, so you have to first watch this tutorial and create a setup with WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay, you have to create the API setup. And if you're going to further scroll down, it says how to generate permanent token inside WhatsApp Cloud API. As you can see that it is asking for the token in order to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. And if you want to learn how to generate the permanent token, then you have to watch this tutorial right over here, that is right here below this other tutorial. Okay, so you do have to watch this tutorial in which you're going to learn how to step by step you can generate permanent token for WhatsApp Cloud API. So okay, as I've already created an API setup, I'm going to open the setup. You can see that this is the API setup that I've created. In the setup, we have the token, phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. And as you can see, this is a temporary access token. If you want to generate a permanent access token, you have to watch that other tutorial that was in the hyperlink that is attached right over here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to copy these details from here. I'm going to copy this token from here and paste it right over here in my workflow. Similarly, for the phone number ID, I'm going to copy this ID from here and I'm going to paste it right over here. For the WhatsApp business account ID, I'm going to copy this ID from here and I'm going to paste the ID right over here. After filling in all the details, I'm going to click on this save button. As you can see that WhatsApp Cloud API is now successfully connected to Pabbly Connect. After that, it is asking for the template name. So I've created a template in the name of leads message template. With the help of this template, I will be sending messages to my leads. So what I'm going to do is for the template name, I'm going to select as leads message template. As soon as you're going to select the template name, the language code and the selected template ID is automatically going to be selected. So you do not need to do anything with these steps. Okay. Next, it is asking for the recipient mobile number. On which mobile number do we want to send a WhatsApp message to? I want to send WhatsApp message to the leads that have been generated. So for the recipient mobile number over here, what we're going to do is we're going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. Now it is going to happen that as soon as I'm going to click on this field, you can see it says Facebook lead ads new lead instant. This was the previous step of this workflow, and as I'm going to click on it, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. As over here, it is asking for the recipient mobile number. In our previous step, we have received the mobile number of our customer to whom we want to send a WhatsApp message to. So what I'm going to do is in place of this recipient mobile mobile number, I am going to select the data from my previous response of the mobile number of my lead. So I've selected data from my previous response, the data is mapped, and as I map the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically in place of this mapped data, the new data is going to be updated. Okay. Next, it is asking body field 1. So in this template that I've created, I've added a variable. Variable is, you can see in front of this value and in the end of this value, there are 2 curly brackets. So this is the variable right over here. And I want to enter a value in place of this variable. So in this workflow, this is the variable that is body field 1. This variable asking for the lead's name. So I'm going to map the data of the lead's name right away in place of this variable. Okay. So as we have completed filling all the details, I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. But before that, as you can see in place of the recipient mobile number, I mapped the data of a dummy mobile number. A WhatsApp message cannot be forwarded to this dummy number right over here. So what I'm going to do is, in place of the recipient mobile number, I'm going to enter my mobile number so a WhatsApp message can be forwarded on my number. Just for the test, we're going to check whether a message is forwarded to us or not. So in place of the recipient mobile number, I'm going to add my mobile number. So as I've added my mobile number, I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. As I've clicked on save and send test request button, you can see we have received a response. So it's a positive response. Okay. As for the message status over here, it says as accepted. So as this is a positive response, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to check whether a new WhatsApp message is forwarded on my number or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp. And yes, you can see right over here on my WhatsApp, I have received a message. It says, hello test smart 45. This is the name of my lead. You can see right over it says, thank you for showing interest in Easy Trade. We appreciate you taking the time to reach out and learn more about our products and services. Your inquiry is important to us and we are excited to have the opportunity to assist you. If you have any questions or need further information, feel free to reply to this message. We are here to help. Looking forward to connecting with you soon. Best regards, Team Easy Trade. So you can see that the message is successfully forwarded on my number with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API template that I've created. So as the message is forwarded, this means that Facebook Lead Ads is now successfully connected to WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. But now for all of you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate another test lead with the help of lead ads testing tool, that is Facebook Lead Ads, and I'm going to check whether a message is forwarded on my number or not. This is a test that we are doing. Okay, so I'm going to open the lead ads testing tool again. So this is the lead ads testing tool, and over here it says you can create one lead per form. You need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So as you can see that I've already created lead with the help of this form. So I'm going to delete the existing lead from here. As I've deleted the lead, it says your lead has been deleted. Now I'm going to refresh this page. It is very important to first delete the lead and then refresh the page because you can only create one lead per form. Okay, so for the page over here, I'm going to select it as Easy Trade, and for the form as Easy Trade lead form. After selecting the page and the form, click on preview form. So this is the form that I've created and it is asking for the email, phone number and the full name. So I'm going to fill in the details right over here. As you can see that I've filled in the details. For the email as smartaccount00@pabblytudes.com, for the full name as smartaccount00, and for the phone number, dummy mobile number. I'm going to click on continue and on submit to do the test submission. As you can see that it says a test lead has been sent. So now I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to check whether a new WhatsApp message is forwarded on my number with the lead detail or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp. And yes, you can see right over here, we have received a new WhatsApp message. It says, hello smart account 00. So this was the name of the lead that we have generated, smart account 00, with the template message that we have created using WhatsApp Cloud API right over here. So this means that we successfully created an automation between Facebook Lead Ads and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a business and I promote my business with the help of Facebook Lead Ads. I wanted that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated by any of my potential customers with the help of Facebook Lead Ads, automatically to that lead a WhatsApp message should be forwarded, a follow-up WhatsApp message should be forwarded. And for that we have created this amazing automation between Facebook Lead Ads and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect, and this is how you create this amazing automation. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.